Hello Red Devils, MUFC here and I'm back again with another video. So Manchester United are in talks with the Chinese club over Fellaini. So let's get straight into the news. Manchester United are in negotiations with the Chinese club over the transfer of Fellaini, Sky Sports News understands. So he's 31 years old and he arrived from Everton in 2013 during David Moyes' era, and he was an important figure under Mourinho. As much as we hate to admit it, his footballing ability isn't that great, but what he does offer is a threat in the opposition box, and he did score vital goals for us, and he provided a threat in the opposition box, touchdowns with the chest, and he was really good in those situations, and that's what we needed him as a plan B. So he was a good plan B, but fans were upset of Fellaini starting, which was the key issue, that he's not a starter for Man United. He was always going to be a plan B option. So according to Sky sources, a Chinese club is in talks with United over a permanent transfer. So Premier League clubs can't sign players after Thursday's deadline, but teams in China are able to complete deals up until February 28. So Moussa Dembele left for China, and Fellaini is leaving for China, and that club is apparently going to be Shandong Luneng, and the logo for that is over here. So Shandong Luneng ties on. So that's the Chinese club apparently in talks with Fellaini. So in my opinion, I think this is the best option for Man United right now, is to sell Fellaini. He's been a great servant to the club. He's popped up with vital goals. But it's time to move on. It's time to for Man United to buy world-class players, and Fellaini is just not a world-class player in my opinion. But I wish him all the best. I'm thanking him for everything that he's done for us. Wish him all the best. And Fellaini to Shandong Luneng, pretty much confirmed now. So it's been MUFC Legend. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.